Welcome to Case Study Series in Operations Management Case Study by Skilled MBA Alzheimer's Disease presents a significant burden with unmet medical needs. Aduhelm, developed by Biogen, emerged as a potential breakthrough. Its journey from laboratory to Food and Drug Administration submission was marked by rigorous clinical trials. However, the Food and Drug Administration approval sparked controversy, raising questions about regulatory decisions and their aftermath. This case study examines the economic and ethical implications, including pricing, access, and healthcare system impact. Aduhelm's development journey highlights the challenges in Alzheimer's treatment. Clinical trials showed mixed results, sparking debate over its efficacy. The Food and Drug Administration's approval, despite advisory committee objections, raised questions about regulatory processes. This decision has significant economic and ethical implications, affecting drug pricing, access, and the healthcare system. Stakeholders must consider these lessons to navigate future innovations responsibly. Alzheimer's disease affects over 6 million Americans and 5.3 million Indians, with a global economic burden exceeding over 30 lakh crores annually. By 2060, cases in the United States are projected to reach 14 million. Family caregivers contribute over 18 billion hours of care each year, highlighting the immense societal impact and urgent need for effective treatments. The amyloid hypothesis suggests beta-amyloid plaques, formed by protein fragments, disrupt neuronal communication and trigger inflammation. This has sparked debate on whether amyloid is a cause or symptom of Alzheimer's. Despite numerous failed trials, Aduhelm was developed to target and remove these plaques, aiming to address this critical aspect of the disease. Biogen's development of aducanumab began in 2007, targeting antibodies from cognitively stable elderly. In March 2019, Phase 3 trials were halted due to perceived futility. However, by October 2019, Biogen sought approval after reanalyzing data. Despite a negative Food and Drug Administration Advisory Committee vote in November 2020, accelerated approval was granted in June 2021, pending further trials. The EMERGE trial revealed a 22% reduction in clinical decline and significant cognitive improvements in the high-dose group, alongside amyloid plaque reduction. Conversely, the ENGAGE trial failed to demonstrate clinical benefit, though post-hoc analysis indicated potential benefits in a high-dose subset, with similar amyloid biomarker effects. The Food and Drug Administration's approval of the drug faced significant controversy. An advisory committee decisively rejected it, with 10 members against and none in favor. Approval was granted via the accelerated pathway, focusing on amyloid reduction rather than clinical benefit. Allegations of improper collaboration between Biogen and Food and Drug Administration officials led to 3 committee resignations, questioning the Food and Drug Administration's credibility. Biogen's pricing of Rs 41.5 lakhs per patient annually for Aduhelm reflects its status as the first new Alzheimer's treatment in 2 decades. With an estimated 1 to 2 million eligible patients in the United States, the strategy aims to recover a $2.6 billion research and development investment. Despite limited patent life, Biogen claims the price is 50% of fair value. The potential annual Medicare cost for covering the full eligible population of Aduhelm is estimated at Rs 2.8 lakh crore, nearly 40% of Medicare Part B spending. This could lead to a 56% increase in Medicare premiums. The Institute for Clinical and Economic Review estimates the cost per quality-adjusted life year at Rs 83 lakh, raising concerns about economic sustainability. Medicare's unprecedented decision to limit coverage for a Food and Drug Administration-approved drug, starting January 2022, focused on patients in clinical trials. By April, restrictions expanded to Food and Drug Administration-approved trials, setting a precedent for future coverage decisions. This move balanced clinical efficacy concerns with fiscal responsibility, impacting both Indian and American healthcare systems. Patient groups were divided. The Alzheimer's Association saw approval as a positive step, while others doubted the benefit-risk ratio. Physicians hesitated to prescribe due to efficacy, side effects, and logistical issues. Most private insurers mirrored Medicare, demanding clinical trial participation or denying coverage. Biogen's commercial launch was disastrous, treating only 100 patients initially. The price was halved to Rs 20.7 lakhs in December 2021. By May 2022, the chief executive officer resigned, and global commercialization was abandoned, leading to a Rs 1,800 crore inventory write-off and significant layoffs. Scientific integrity demands rigorous evidence for drug approval, especially for serious conditions with few treatments. Regulatory independence is crucial. Relationships with pharmaceutical companies must be transparent to maintain trust. Balancing innovation incentives with healthcare affordability is essential for sustainability. Ensuring health equity requires making new therapies accessible across socioeconomic boundaries. Regulators must uphold clear approval standards despite external pressures. Pharmaceutical companies should provide robust evidence and consider value-based pricing. Payers need frameworks balancing innovation with affordability. Healthcare systems must prepare for costly specialty medications. Patients and advocates should balance optimism for new treatments with a critical evaluation of evidence and costs. Thank you for your attention. For further case studies and healthcare insights, visit our website or contact us via email or phone. We look forward to supporting your journey in healthcare innovation.